Pivot charts are being used increasingly to help end users understand complex financial as well as operational data. Pivot charts are inextricably linked to their underlying pivot tables. For instance, if I change the pivot table on the left side of the window, filtering it to the Midwest region, the pivot chart automatically updates to reflect data only for the Midwest region. Changing the pivot table back to all regions updates the pivot chart with data from all regions. One of the challenges that users have had with pivot charts over the years is formatting date labels. In the pivot table on the left, we see that date labels are formatted in a traditional month, day, year format. They are also, of course, formatted that way in the pivot chart. However, what if the user wanted to see the date labels formatted differently? Could the user come to the pivot chart and change the label in the pivot chart? The answer to that question is no. Rather, the user must go to the pivot table and change the format of the date label in the pivot table. To do so, right-click in the pivot table on any of the date labels and choose Field Settings. From Field Settings, choose Number Format. And from Number Format, choose Date. In the Format Cells dialog box that's shown on the screen presently, scroll through the various date options and choose the format that best suits your needs. Click OK. Click OK again, and notice that not only has the date data changed in the pivot table, but it has also changed in the pivot chart. On behalf of everyone at K2 Enterprises, we hope that you found this technology tip to be useful and helpful. For more information on the courses we offer, please visit our website at www.k2e.com.